Hello, I'm Brian Scott-Smith for World Risk and Insurance News, and this is our Week in Review. Last week on RIN TV.
Monday morning headlines provided by S&L Insurance included election results and their potential impact on the Affordable Care Act, healthcare insurance and employee benefits executives don't see GOP-friendly elections resulting in meaningful changes to the ACA. Trade groups and business organizations refused to back the House Republican bill to reauthorize TRIA. FSOC kept Prudential as a non-bank SIFI and opened its hearing on MetLife's SIFI status. And the FSB kept its G-side list the same while postponing a decision on status of reinsurers. A new Connecting with Conning looked at frameworks and how they can assess investment strategies that account for ups and downs in the market. We caught up with noted attorney Fred Karlinski, co-chair of the Insurance Regulatory and Transactions Practice Group of Greenberg Traurig, at the recent PCI meeting in Scottsdale to get his opinion on the U.S. and international regulatory landscape. Energi's CEO reviewed a study that suggests significant nurse case management and PPOs can reduce the costs and duration of workers' comp claims. We rounded out our coverage of the S&L Insurance Broker Summit with a Marsh Berry, VP, on challenges intermediaries face today and in the future. Oak Street Funding's president and CEO discussed the financial condition of today's brokers and his outlook for growth. The chairman and CEO of Marsh & McLennan Agency and his thoughts on opportunities in the middle market. A managing director at BMO Capital Markets looked at M&A activity in the insurance broker sector, as did the director of acquisitions at Brown & Brown. RIN TV began coverage of two industry events of note: the annual meeting of the Casualty Actuarial Society in New York and IRMI's Construction Risk Conference in Nashville. At the CAS meeting, we spoke with the CAS president about the role of the actuary and the future of the Casualty Actuarial Society, and a CAS board member from Zurich, North America, about developments in reserving. And coverage of the CRC opened with Willis Group CEO Dominic Casserly and his thoughts on the best of times and the worst of times in the construction industry, and the COO and construction practice leader at New Day Underwriting Managers on environmental and professional liability. Watch for more coverage of the CAS and IRMI construction meetings next week. And in a must-see RIN TV exclusive, we spoke with the Connecticut Insurance Commissioner Tom Leonardi from his office in Hartford. In Part 1, the outspoken commissioner discussed global insurance regulations, G-side designations, and concerns about the influx of alternative capital into the property cat market. Watch for Part 2 of our extensive interview with Tom Leonardi coming next week on RIN TV.
If you missed these or any of our previous programs, watch them now from our on-demand library. And make sure to join us next time for more world risk and insurance news right here on RIN TV.